Here is a wonderful 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features, this spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: fog lamps, lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows, power door locks, power steering. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.